Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best motorized wheelchairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Innuovo Intelligent Lightweight Foldable Electric Wheelchair. The wheelchair that we are highlighting now comes with a 360 control stick. With sturdy rear and front wheels, you can negotiate any terrain. It also consists of innovative joystick, which makes it easy to control. The weight of the wheelchair itself is just 50 pounds due to the aluminum frame. Also, you can twist and fold it within 3 seconds, which is why you should go for it. The cushioning keeps you comfortable as well and provides you with proper support. The electromagnetic braking system aids in stopping it quickly. Thus, when looking for easy-to-control a motorized wheelchair, you can buy this wheelchair. Moving on at number 4, we have the Forcemec Voyager R2 ultra-portable folding electric wheelchair. The unique feature of this wheelchair is the shock absorption mechanism. It uses heavy-duty shock absorption springs, which can provide you with a comfortable ride always. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable. When you look at the motors inside, it has dual 200W brushless motors with a range of 16 miles and load carrying capacity of 265 pounds. With a turning radius of 32 inches, you can control this motorized wheelchair. Also, it uses an electromagnetic brake system as well, which can stop the wheelchair from a short distance. The speed is 4 miles per hour. The brushless motor means that the maintenance is on the lower side. With aluminum construction, you can be sure that it will undoubtedly stand the test of time. The presence of various features makes it a reliable option. At number 3, we have the Porto Mobility Ranger X6 Portable Power Wheelchair. With a 2-second foldable design, you can easily use this aluminum body motorized chair. It has 2 batteries, which can provide a cumulative range of 14 miles. The power rating is 500 W. It uses heavy-duty 13-inch tires that can handle hills as well as inclines. The weight handling capacity is 265 pounds. With the turning radius of just 33 inches, you can control this motorized wheelchair. It has a USB port as well for charging your devices. It is wider than the other wheelchair is at 19.6 inches. Thus, when you're searching for an easy-to-control a motorized wheelchair, you cannot ignore this chair. At number 2, we have the Innuovo N5513, a lightweight foldable power wheelchair. With the load carrying capacity of 265 pounds, this is a versatile wheelchair. It comes with 2 lithium batteries and can travel a distance of 20 kilometers. The aluminum frame is another reason to choose it. You can place the joystick on the left side or the right side as per your convenience. You can use it as a manual and electric chair, which is why you should go for it. With cushioning, it will be comfortable when using this motorized electric chair. It is suitable for individuals between 4.9 feet to 5.75 feet. Thus, when you're looking for a comfortable option, you can consider this option. And finally at number 1, we have the ComfyGO electric wheelchair. With 2 batteries on offer, the distance coverage of this wheelchair is 12 miles. It includes joystick control, which makes it very to move it around. With waterproof construction, it is highly durable as well. The noiseless motor helps you to operate it quite efficiently. It is suitable for many different terrains. It provides you with a comfortable ride irrespective of the ground. Also, the weight handling capacity of 275 pounds is another reason to buy it. Once you fold it, you can put it into the trunk of your car. Thus, when you want a convenient motorized wheelchair, you need not look any further. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.